Wow.
We already know money is tight for a lot of families during this pandemic.
And now there's another shortage breaking budgets across Metro Detroit. It's a lumber shortage. Whether you're building a home or fixing up the one you have, chances are you're feeling it in the pocket.
Okay, so this is a log of black cherry that I cut a while back and just kind of threw in the backyard. Wow, it is cold out. My plan is we're gonna take this back to the shop, resaw it, see what it looks like. I have high hopes that it's gonna be nice and figured. Let's get this out of the woods, get it back to the shop. We'll see you there. Okay, this next part is equally satisfying as it is messy. You'll see what I mean in a second. It has to do with that log and this bad boy. I had to cut this in half because it's just a little bit too long to work with here. So I'll cut it in half and then we're gonna head over to the bandsaw and resaw it. Yeah. This is as figured and cool looking as I suspected. So I'm really excited about that. You can see there's so many, like, this is without finish. It doesn't even have finish on it. But there's just reds and oranges and yellows, whites, spalting, figured, knots, basically everything you could hope for. I picked out these two pieces to use. I think this kind of looks like water to me, like waves and stuff. And then this one kind of looks like a horizon or a sky or clouds or sun, or I'm gonna use those two pieces. We're gonna make a shadow box out of these and bring it full circle from piece to polished. Okay, and there you have it. I hope you liked what I came up with. This is just a new design of the breakwater in Burlington, Vermont. So if you'd like to see more of that, let me know in the comments. I hope you enjoyed the process from piece to polished, a piece of wood we found and peeled open to see what was inside, to a polished piece of art that's gonna go on the wall and hopefully in somebody's home someday. Again, let me know what you thought. If you wanna see more videos like this, let me know down in the comments. Don't forget to like. If you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button, and we will see you next time.